Hey, hello friends, this is Sandeep, and in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can use a change case option in Microsoft Word. So for an example here, let's say I have a document here and have some data in it. So what we have to do here before you start, make sure the text is selected that you need to use a change case in it. And we are going to just tell you two different methods by which you can just use the change case option in Microsoft Word. Alright, so let's start with the method first. In this method, first of all, you have to select the text that you want to use in change case. Let's say I have selected this line here, and in the home tab itself, if you go here, this icon, you have to look for this icon which has capital A and a small a, and you click on it. You can see here you have 5 options listed here: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and the toggle case. If you would like to learn more about each of them, just follow the document article given in the video description below. So if you click on sentence case, if you see that the word and the sentence is in the sentence case format, that means the first letter is in capital and rest of them are in small. Go here, select the lowercase. You can see here all the selected text is in lowercase. Again, go here, uppercase, everything is in uppercase. Capital each word, you will see the first letter of every word is in capital letter now. And if you use the toggle case, the first letter is small and rest of them are capital. So this is how you can use this first method, by using the option change case option from the home tab itself from the Microsoft Word.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.
Alright, now let's check about the second method. In second method, I'm going to tell you some shortcuts, a single shortcut by which you can use it from your keyboard, and you can use the change case option for your Microsoft Word formatting here. Let's say I've selected this line, all application excluded, like this. Once you selected it, you need to use the key combination of your keyboard, like Shift plus F3. So while holding the Shift key, you just need to keep tapping on F3 button like this. See, it changed to the capital. If you press while holding again F3, you will see all in small letters. So by using this shortcut from your keyboard, you can also use the change case option for your Microsoft Word document. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching this. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.